What's up guys, in today's video we'll be exploring the top 5 best robotic pool cleaners that you can get right now. After extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options for different types of buyers, whether it's performance, price, or specific needs. I've included links in the description box down below with updated prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The Dolphin Escape Robotic Pool Cleaner is poised to redefine above-ground pool maintenance. As a top-rated product, it promises a spotless pool with minimal effort. Its status as the best above-ground robotic pool cleaner in the market comes as no surprise. The innovative Aiper brush technology allows the Dolphin Escape to effectively eliminate dirt and algae from the pool floor. The Aiper brush spins twice as fast as regular pool brushes and employs a smart nave pool mapping system, ensuring complete and non-repetitive cleaning. A boon for above-ground pool owners, this cleaner is tailor-made for their needs. Equipped with advanced filtration, it captures debris of all sizes in a large cartridge, reducing the need for frequent filter emptying. Cleaning the filter is hassle-free with its superior filtration technology, allowing easy cartridge removal and residue rinsing. The lightweight, ergonomic design and quick 1.5-hour cleaning cycle suit all above-ground pool types. Its 40-foot cable ensures coverage of hard-to-reach corners, and the Aiper grip rubber tracks prevent slippage while the high-speed rotating brush effectively removes stubborn contaminants. Notably, the Dolphin Escape excels in energy efficiency, with dual 24-volt DC motors consuming just 180 watts, a stark contrast to traditional pool cleaners. This balance of power and efficiency guarantees optimal cleaning performance. Its modern lightweight design, aided by a carry handle, ensures easy transportation, and the quick-release water program prevents waterlogging. A full 2-year warranty adds an extra layer of assurance. For those seeking a reliable, user-friendly, efficient, and energy-saving pool cleaner for their above-ground pool, the Dolphin Escape Robotic Pool Cleaner is the perfect choice. The Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus stands as the epitome of a versatile and cost-effective robotic pool cleaner. Garnering praise from satisfied users, this cleaner shines as the best overall choice. Despite its perceived cost, it offers affordability when compared to other high-end options. Sporting an innovative design, the Nautilus CC Plus operates as an underwater vacuum, independently maintaining a spotless pool without constant monitoring. Activation is as simple as turning it on, dropping it in, and pressing the power button. Tailored for in-ground pools up to 50 feet long, it adapts to various pool shapes: rectangular, square, circular, or kidney-shaped. With 3 weekly cleaning intervals, 1, 2, or 3 times, it's easy to set and forget, leaving your pool crystal clear all season. Featuring automatic shutdown, the Nautilus CC Plus completes its task before resting, alleviating concerns about the prolonged operation. Its modern design and 20-pound weight, including sturdy scrubbing rollers, enhance handling. The quarter-sized power supply remains dry, and a large top handle eases maneuverability. The 60-foot durable cable boasts a swivel feature that prevents tangling, enabling free movement. Employing climbing rings, vertical motion, and strong wall climbing ability, it excels over budget models. The Nautilus CC Plus offers a hassle-free cleaning experience, granting you more leisure time to enjoy your immaculate pool. In essence, this model delivers unmatched performance at an unparalleled price-quality ratio. The Dolphin Premier Robotic Pool Cleaner stands as the pinnacle of high-performance robotic pool cleaning. As the top-tier high-end option in the market, it boasts cutting-edge technology that includes intelligent navigation and scanning, allowing it to efficiently clean pools up to 50 feet long in just 3 hours. Its superiority lies in its ability to clean all surfaces comprehensively, tackling walls, water lines, and every pool area that needs attention. The cleaner employs multimedia filtration, featuring bottom-load fine cartridge filters, ultra-fine cartridge filters, and large fine filter bags to capture debris ranging from leaves and sticks to sand and algae. Cartridge filters are easily removable for quick cleaning, and optional disposable filter bags can be used. The large filter bag is particularly adept at handling larger debris, making it suitable for pools surrounded by trees. Equipped with dual DC motors that offer remarkable energy efficiency, dual scrubbing brushes, and advanced mapping software, the Dolphin Premier surpasses basic pool robots in efficiency and thoroughness. With 4 cleaning modes, customization to specific needs is effortless. Setting up and operating the Dolphin Premier is user-friendly, ensuring ease of use. In conclusion, for those seeking the ultimate high-end robotic pool cleaner capable of handling every inch of their 50-foot in-ground pool, the Dolphin Premier is the optimal choice. Its advanced technology, energy-efficient dual DC motor, and multimedia filtration system provide thorough cleaning with minimal effort, allowing you to bid farewell to long cleaning sessions and revel in a sparkling, clear pool. The Polaris 8050 Sport Robotic Pool Cleaner rightfully claims the title of the finest in-ground robotic pool cleaner on the market. Its exceptional cleaning performance extends to all pool surfaces, effortlessly navigating walls, steps, and tile lines. Thanks to Cyclone vacuum technology, it wields powerful cleaning action that captures debris without losing suction. The push-and-go filter canister simplifies debris removal, offering a clear view window. Noteworthy features encompass a surface control system for efficient wall climbing, a dual cleaning cycle for on-demand cleaning, and a durable carrying case for easy transportation. Cyclonic cleaning empowers the 8050 Sport to maintain powerful suction while capturing and retaining debris throughout the cycle. With customizable options from levels 1 to 5, it adjusts seamlessly to your pool's surface. The energy-efficient design reduces costs, and the ample intake tackles larger debris such as leaves. It completes cleaning in just 1.5 hours for up to 40-foot pools, featuring an error indicator for guidance. The Polaris 8050 Sport arrives with a 2-year limited warranty, displaying a blue color and dimensions of 16.5 inches by 16.25 inches by 10.75 inches, weighing 41.2 pounds. If the tedious task of pool cleaning frustrates you, the Polaris 8050 Sport offers a transformative solution. If you're seeking an affordable and efficient pool cleaning robot, the Aiper Seagull SE is an excellent choice. Named the best budget robotic pool cleaner, it's easy to understand why. Bid farewell to wrangle bulky machines and tangled hoses, the Seagull SE offers a hassle-free solution for pool upkeep. Sporting a sleek angular design in a cool gray finish, it's a significant upgrade from Aiper's previous models. Getting started is simple. Attach the brushes as per the clear instructions after around 2.5 hours of charging. Plunge the Seagull SE into your pool for up to 1.5 hours of cleaning time, following basic usage guidelines like avoiding sloping corners and covering areas up to 850 square feet. While optional, a chlorine tablet can be added for extra cleaning. Notably affordable, the Seagull SE outperforms traditional pool cleaners in terms of cost-effectiveness. Despite potentially needing more maintenance than some competitors, the Seagull SE boasts impressive suction and debris collection capabilities. Lightweight at 8 pounds, it's effortlessly maneuverable and operates silently. In summary, the Aiper Seagull SE presents an exceptional pool cleaning robot, ideal for budget-conscious users seeking effective pool maintenance. Its contemporary design and easy operation suit pool owners of any experience level. Despite potential maintenance requirements, its strong performance and affordability make it a compelling choice.